In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WooCommerce not sending emails in WordPress. If order confirmations, new order alerts, or customer notifications aren't reaching inboxes, a common culprit is that the specific WooCommerce email is simply disabled. The good news is you can fix this quickly from your WordPress dashboard, and that's exactly what we'll walk through now. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click WooCommerce. This is where your store's core settings live. From there, click Settings. You'll see several tabs along the top. Choose the one labeled Emails. This section controls every automated message WooCommerce can send, both to you as the store owner and to your customers. On the Emails page, you'll find a list of all message types, like New Order, Processing Order, Completed Order, Customer Note, and more. Find the exact email that's giving you trouble. For example, if customers aren't getting their order confirmations, you'd look for the processing order email. When you've located it, click Manage on the right side of that row. This opens the detailed settings for that specific notification. Inside, the most important thing to check is the checkbox labeled Enable this email notification. If this box is unchecked, WooCommerce will never send that message, even when the event happens. Go ahead and tick that box to turn it on. You'll also see other fields on this page, like the email subject, content heading, and sometimes a recipient field for admin notifications. You don't need to change those to restore sending. The critical step is making sure the email is enabled. After you've confirmed the enable box is checked, scroll down and click Save Changes. Don't skip this part. Your changes won't apply until you save. Once saved, WooCommerce will start attempting to send that email the next time the relevant action occurs, such as a new order being placed or an order status changing. If you're noticing issues with more than one type of email, repeat the same process. Go back to the emails list, click Manage for each one that's not sending, ensure the enable box is checked, and save. Often, this resolves the problem immediately. Keep in mind, if the email was already enabled and still isn't arriving, the issue could be outside WooCommerce, such as mail deliverability or spam filtering. But for many stores, simply enabling the correct notification and saving the settings gets things back on track. That's it. You've just learned how to restore WooCommerce emails by enabling the right notification in WordPress.